So the first one we talked about, Randy, was ADminSDHolder abuse. So again, I had to have elevated access inside of Active Directory, but now the bad guy has gone in and done something nefarious, right? They go in and change the ADminSDHolder object, that permission role template, and then they have that process, right? I'll call it the ADminSDHolder process because SD-prop, right? Whatever, we've been calling it SD-prop forever. But basically that backend process then goes out and then puts those permission role templates on those accounts. So you can see, I actually performed this earlier and we'll kind of show you. So here we had, ADminSDHolder. We have the bad guy. Thanks for the great lead in. So I used the bad guy to actually perform this. So if I look at this change, right, we can see this is a critical vulnerability in our environment. So we will get an alert. I'll show you that here in a minute. But we can see that. We can see that the bad guy made a security descriptor access, right? So we talked about that. And now let's go in and see what happened. Well, it went from basically read to full control, right? And this group is actually authenticated users. So let's go in and see what that means in Active Directory from an ADminSDHolder perspective. And the reason why I use authenticated users in our environment that I do, I actually put it back. So here we can see, again, the ADminSDHolder, and we can see that change was add from that aspect. So we can see that Cayosoft, we picked that up. Let's go look at the alert inside of Microsoft Teams because we can alert in Microsoft Teams as well. There we go. So we can see that. So now that happened in my environment. If that happened in my environment and I was running a scan or maybe paid for an AD threat assessment, I wouldn't pick that up till the next time around. Well, Cayosoft Guardian Protector then actually alerts you in real time, so then you can go in and remediate that in your environment.